Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. We have 220,345 miles on the odometer. And you do have an airbag light on. Now the flickering that you see here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. We're gonna go on a drive. First thing I notice is the steering is a little loose. And it is crooked. You can see how it's kind of to the right just a little bit there. Truck, I think, wants to pull to the right. You know, it's hard to tell with the road sometimes. It's very subtle. It's not just veering to the right, but it seems like it wants to pull a little bit. And then I'm going to hit the brakes kind of hard here in just a second. So 3, 2, 1. Brakes are solid. Got some stuff in the bed kind of sliding around there. Overall, the shifts are nice, shifting really good. The shifts were good. Like I said with the wheel though, it feels a little loose. Almost like you got a little bit of kind of free play. Other than that, really no other complaints. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the fender, little rock chip there. We do have some gashes here and the antenna broke off. Lower side looks good. Here on that wheel you do have rash. The rest that looks good. Date code on the tires 2022. You can see they are kind of dry rotted around the edges, but the tread up here got some decent tread life left. Overall looks good. A-pillar looks nice. Typical swirls and scuffs from just everyday washing, things like that. Rock chip there. Typical swirls. Looking at the door, overall in great condition. Overall, that door looks good. Little rock impacts. Graphic looks nice, that looks good. Checking out the tread here. Decent tread left. You got a gash there. There's the tire size, date code. We are at 2022. And then you do have some dry rotting cracking right there, if you can see that. It's like a dry rotting crack all the way around. Kind of hides it, see it right there. Looking at the headlights, they have yellowed. They do have some sun damage. Here on the hood, typical rock impacts and little chips. Looking at the wiper cowl. See the fading. Typical flaws. That headlight looks a lot better. Just little chips, little imperfections. Given the miles, it's really not bad at all. Overall, that fender looks good. You have those cracks on the tire here as well, like the dry rotting cracks. The date code 2022. Overall, that wheel looks good. Side mirror looks nice. Couple rock chips. And most of these body panels look really good. Doors are in great condition. A couple little chips here and there. Little hard water spots. I mean, if you look at the right angle, you're gonna have hard water spots. You have some rash on that wheel. C2022. And of course you got the cracks and whatnot. Little chip there. You got some gashes here. There's some pretty heavy paint runs right here, so I imagine the bed has been sprayed at some point. See those paint runs? Little gashes, stuff like that, pretty simple. Okay, looking at the back, got some little scratches. For the most part, that back bumper is looking good. Now you do have the gashes right there. Taillight looks nice. Typical scratches here. For the most part, that's in good condition. And then looking at the bed, got some paint splatter, things like that. So you do have the Carfax report that shows the front in this corner. And so trying to get up close on the jams, you can see they painted all the jams. So they taped off here and they taped around that sticker. I see a lot of wave in the metal right here. You're gonna see kind of imperfections in the paint. So all of that looks like it got painted. So I can feel some overspray. Of course you get close on the edge. So I'm not quite sure what happened, but you can tell this has all been painted in here. And so it had some sort of damage in there, I imagine. And then when you shut the door, versus that, it's a little more solid. And then these squeak when you open them. All right, checking out the interior. Got the all black. And looking at this panel, you do have a lot of wear right here on the edge. Little scuffs and scratches, memory seating. Overall, that looks good. Looking at that trim, typical scuffs from getting in and out, little ding. Got the all-weather mats. Now you can see this bolster is completely smushed down, starting to rip and tear. You got little scratches. You have some markings here. A lot of wear on that edge. Here on the steering wheel, of course, lots of wear for 200,000 miles. Put a steering wheel cover on here though to look a lot better. Typical wear on the buttons. So you can see that. Lower side looks good though. The screen is in great condition. Those buttons look really nice. Heated cool seats, that's all in great condition. You do have little dents and dings there. Typical scuffs and scratches on the console. It's a non-smoker though. Here on the back left door panel, typical little scuffs on there. Got the all-weather mats. Looking at this seat, very minor scuffs. The rest of that looks really nice. All right, here on the upper section, little imperfections here and there, some little scratches. You got some gashes down here, all typical wear for 200,000 miles though. Got the all-weather mats and looks like some carpet ones underneath. You do have a dent right here. And then looking at the seat, lots of scratches. You just see little wear and scuffs and scratches. That bolster overall is in great condition. Same here. You're just gonna have the little scuffs. That side looks good. Lots of dents and dings on this metal. And you can see the lights in here. The LED ambient lighting, little gashes, little flaw on the dash. And then I do see some little cracks there. Got the massive panoramic roof, and it is cracked. So you can see it is all busted up in there. Here on the back right door panel, little scuffs and scratches. Got some scratches on the leather here. And then got a big kicker box here. Looks good. Nice clean install. Heated seats. Another view of the crack on that glass. All right, checking out the engine bay. Battery is from 2 of 24. You got some aftermarket wiring here. Looks good. Overall plastics look nice here. Looking at the underside of the liner, you do have typical stains.